How to create an e-commerce website on Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be quickly discussing how you can make yourself an e-commerce website on Wix in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to obviously do this, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to come here in the top URL bar, SO, and you're going to write website world media.com/Wix. Again, you're going to write website worldmedia.com/Wix, and we're going to enter it. And if you don't want to, go through the, work of writing the whole URL, you can always check the link in the description. It's going to be at the top. Just click on it, and you're going to be redirected to this page over here. Now, obviously, it's going to ask you for your email and stuff. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a temp mail, okay? Because I know I'm going to be scraping this website later on out. So I'm going to be adding a temp mail, but what you can do is you can use your proper Gmail if you want to. Now, once I have copied my email address and everything, I'm going to paste it here as so. I'm going to click on Start Now. Now, once you click on Start Now, obviously it takes you through the whole loading of Wix. It's going to ask you to set a password for yourself over here. So we're just going to go ahead and do that real quick. And same for down here. Okay. Once that is done, okay, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up. You're going to make sure that the email and password is acceptable and according to what they want. And once you're done with that, you're going to come here. So it's going to say, let's set you up with the right tools. First, who are you creating a website for? They asked this in retrospect to, it may be the case that you're maybe a freelancer from Upwork or Fiverr who, is actually creating this for, a business or something like that. So in that case, you can add a client as a freelancer, but obviously we're making it for ourselves. So I'm going to go for myself and then continue. Now, once you continue, obviously over there, you can get options. What kind of websites are you creating? So in the examples, you can see online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, event. I'm going to go with online store. And once you go with online store, you're going to see all these things over here. So you have online store, online drum store, online clothing, online accessories, online art, skate, jewelry, K-beauty, gift basket, book, clock, all this stuff. So let's say we're going to go with a clothing store for now. So we're going to go with that and click on next. Now, once you click on clothing store and go on next, what's the name of your store? You can name anything. I'm going to go with John Shirts. I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, you've chosen your name and anything, you're going to come here. So what do you want to add to your website? So obviously in your website, mostly the things with your online store, like whatever you're going to need for your online store, it's going to already be added over here. So this is obviously already built in, but it adds, chat. You can chat with site visitors. You have forms, get info, subscribers, and payments with the forms. And you have Instagram feed where you can display the pictures and videos of your product and all that stuff. And then you have this over here. So you have blog, bookings, events, portfolio, pricings, video, music, online programs, forums, groups, file share, all this stuff to go down over here. So, go ahead and access all those things later on if you want to. In my opinion, for an online store, I don't think you need anything else. Like apart from these four, I don't think you need anything else. So we're going to click on next. And once you click on next, you're going to come here. So it's going to say, you ready for your next step? Continue setting up your store in your dashboard. So obviously we're going to go ahead and we're going to head into our dashboard. Now, once you head into the dashboard, obviously it's going to do a bit of a loading. So you're going to wait for it to do all of that for you. And once the loading and all is done, we're going to get straight into obviously the, further editing process that comes with, the whole online store gig. So again, once you're here, as you can see, what you're gonna do, in front of you with the activity and stuff is, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and see your website. Okay, so for that, you're gonna go on design site, and once you go on design site, as you can see, you get two options. How would you like to design your website? So let Wix create a site for you. Use our site builder to go live quickly, or customize a design template. Choose from thousands of designs for your site. So you can go with this AI if you want to, or you can just, design a template. So obviously go with an AI, but I would personally go with, designing a template myself. And once you go and design a template, you can get tons and tons of templates all around over here. So in retrospect, let's go with this template. I like this template a lot, so I'm going to go with this one. And once you go over here, you're going to click on edit. And once you click on edit, obviously it's going to start editing like the whole template. It's going to bring the whole theme template in front of you, show how things are actually done and all that stuff. So we're just going to wait for it to load up real quick. And obviously the loading may take a second or a few, depending on your internet and stuff. And obviously once it loads up, what you're going to do from there on out is obviously you're going to make sure that it has all the essentials for your website, the product page, the contact us page, about page, FAQ, and all that stuff. So do make sure that it has all the necessities for a proper online store. So once you do that, obviously one of the most essential things that comes with an online store is like, first of all, let's just go ahead and save and publish our page. Okay. Now, one of the most essential things for an online store is, you could say products. Okay. Now, to add products to your store, basically what you're going to do is, come over here on store products as so. And once you go on store products, you're going to come to products over here. Now, products can be added in various ways. Okay, you can either import them, you can import a whole list of them if you want to, or add them yourself. Now, importing them is relatively easier. Like if you're, uploading products in bulk, like in bulk, you could upload it in a CSV file or an XLSX file or an Excel file, basically. So an Excel file, obviously you put it in data tables and data records and stuff. So in that case, obviously the data gets copied pretty easily and gets copied sooner. So you can either do import or you can just go ahead and click on new product. And what new product does is it allows you to obviously add new products to your page as so. So let's say I'm just gonna, skim through a product. I'm just gonna add it quickly. And once you add a product, what's gonna happen is it's gonna appear on your main page. So once you have a product and everything, the next thing, which is pretty important, is the automations and the integrations. And obviously automation and integration is good for your marketing. And obviously you have communications with the inbox and chat. You have the SEO analytical reports. You can set up payments. Payments is also pretty important to set up because if there is no online store if you don't have any payments. So set up payment methods, and payment methods could be, Stripe, PayPal, manual payments, and all that stuff. So once you set that up, you're going to be essentially good to go from there. So yeah, that's essentially about it. Now, before signing off on this video, again, remember to head over to Wix. What you're going to do is you're going to write website worldmedia.com/Wix. Okay, you're gonna write that, enter it, and you're gonna head straight into Wix. So you get the point. That's how you're gonna head into Wix. And if you don't want to write it, you can just go to the description. And once you're in the description, just click on the link on the top and you're good to go. So yeah, that's basically about it. Now, if you enjoyed that video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you all keep having a great, amazing, and incredible day. That was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.